Halloween's coming up, and nobody likes Halloween better than Basic Witches. Here's a Basic Witch punch. Hey, let's drink. That's the show. My man Eric invited me over because I'm the punch master. As you can see, I got a nice big jug of punch over here. And hey, I'm a party guy. I like partying up. I like doing some cool stuff. And if you want to see me do more cool stuff on this channel, let me know down there in that description. Give me the thumbs up. Ask for more. John Herman. You know the name. It's John Herman. The game? Drink. I got me one of them there mason jars. This holds about a gallon. So the recipe I got is going to be about a gallon. There is a bigger recipe I'm going to share that you can check out down below. It's down below, right? Down below. I'm going to be down there. And this is a real simple recipe. You know, because when you're throwing a party, you don't want something too crazy the people are just going to go nuts over. And you don't want them to be, well, you just don't want them getting all hopped up too quick. So this is a nice, sweet, smooth drink. We'll start off with some bows, a little bit of rum, a little bit of dark rum. So the dark rum is going to be a total. I'm used to free pouring this, so he told me I had to measure it. So I said, okay, I'm going to use about 12 ounces. 12 ounces of dark rum. Pour that in there. Now you can get yourself some dark rum pretty cheap. $15 for a fifth, something like that. Not bad. Now I'm going to come back here with some coconut rum. I'm only going to do 4 ounces of that. So right here we got 4 ounces of coconut rum. That's some good stuff. We're going to follow that up with some juice. Some pineapple juice. I shake that bad boy up. Some of the professionals would say, man, you got to get a real pineapple and all that. And, I mean, if I was getting that fancy with it, I'd probably put more expensive stuff in there. Figure out how to use this dumbass can opener. How the hell does this thing work? I'm going to put a screwdriver through it pretty darn soon. You need to get yourself a better can. This is bullshit. Got a nice pour going on. It's going to be 2 cups of pineapple juice. So if you're following along, each part is about 2 cups. So it's 1 part of booze, and that's a combination of the coconut rum and the dark rum and the pineapple juice, and also some pomegranate juice as well. Pomegranate juice going to be 2 cups as well. 2 cups. This ain't going to quite make a full gallon, but it's going to be a decent amount. Like I said, there's a larger quantity down in the bottom. Just depends how many friends you got. Right now, I don't have that many friends. We got us some ginger ale. And I promise you, no gingers were harmed in the making of this here ginger ale. Now, if you should so decide you don't want it so sweet, you could even split and do half ginger ale, half ginger beer. You could do all ginger beer. Whatever you want to do. I'm not your mom. So whatever you want to do, it's going to be 4 cups of ginger ale. There we are. So essentially, if you're looking at it, this punch is pretty simplistic. It's 2 parts ginger ale, 1 part pineapple juice, 1 part pomegranate juice, and 1 part booze. That's it. That's the recipe. And we're just going to take this, and I just got this today, so I hope this seal works good. And I just want to give a little bit of a twist, a little shake. When you're putting this at the party, you can put a nice big ice cube in there. A couple things of ice cubes, some larger ones are better. They don't melt quite as quick. You can throw some citrus fruit in there. You want to put some limes in there to kind of cut some of that sweetness out. That's always good. Let's try this out. Give it a shot. I think I have a special glass. Don't get scared. It's fake. It's not real. So I like to taste it up and see how it is. I'm going to throw me some limes in that. See, the great thing about this here recipe is you can just kind of wing it. You know, they have multiple varieties of ginger ale. You can try switching some of the juices up depending on the mood you're looking for. This knife's dull as hell. You get old Mike Myers coming after you this knife, you ain't got to worry about nothing because he ain't going to cut nothing. So yeah, you got that nice little citrus. I'll put that in there too. There we are. Let that soak a little bit. Yeah. I'll tell you what, that right there is how you make a party punch for Halloween. I don't have a name for it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to name this John Harmon's Basic Witch Brew. If you're a basic witch, you will love this stuff here. So I do like to serve it. There's a couple ways y'all can serve it. You can put it with some dry ice to get this nice little witchy effect and all that. Or you can do what I'm going to do. And you can light stuff on fire. Because, well, I'm from the country and we like it that way. So I got my skull glass. We're going to flame a skull. Alright, now, we dimmed the lights a little bit. Kind of changed the lighting in the room so y'all can see this. I got some ice, a nice little basic witch punch. I just coined that term a minute ago. Y'all don't need to fill it too high. Just leave a little room at the top, you know. You don't need a lot. You just need enough to get the job done. So we got some high-proof rum here. We're going to light it up. There we go. She's burning. So you got that nice big old blue flame going on there. That baby's warm. And you don't want to drink it while it's on fire. That's stupid. Don't do that. But it looks cold, right? I mean, it's a neat look. Look at that. Look at that, that's cold. Yeah. Then you blow that bad boy out. You don't have to serve it like that. Because in the end, you're just defeating the purpose and you're making it warm. And it's not supposed to be warm, but in the same sense, it's a great presentation of how this drink should be. I put way too much 151 on that. So that right there is how you make a basic witch punch. I'll tell you what, it's pretty good. You got some lightweights. I wouldn't recommend the 151 route. I'd recommend the dry ice route. It also might be a little safer if there's drunks around. Fortunately for me, I'm pretty much a functioning alcoholic. So, like I said earlier, I'm here helping my man Eric out with some Halloween stuff. You want to see more of me? Hit the like button. Let them know in the comments. I'll be glad to come over and whip up some more booze.